Good morning to all. I am Dr. K. Soundrapriya, Assistant Professor of Commerce, the Standard Fireworks Rajaratnam College for Women, Sivakasi. In this video, we discussed about the difference between innovative entrepreneur and imitative entrepreneur. Before going to this topic, first we know who is an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur means a person's one who start a business of his own with a main aim is to earn profit. Without profit, they have to do some activities means that is not a business. So the persons one who make a business of his own, their main aim is to earn profit means that person is known as entrepreneur. The entrepreneur is a risk taker as well as a innovator. So the persons one who take the risk and also the persons one who make innovations in their business. So that person is known as entrepreneur. There are various types of entrepreneur in which the main types of entrepreneurs are innovative entrepreneur, imitative entrepreneur, Fabian entrepreneur, and brand entrepreneur. In this video, we discussed only the difference between innovative entrepreneur and imitative entrepreneur. First, the innovative entrepreneur means a person's one who make innovations in their business. So that person is known as innovative entrepreneurs. Whereas imitative entrepreneur means the persons one who copy the successful innovations already adopted by the innovative entrepreneurs. So the persons one who make innovations in their business, that person is known as innovative entrepreneur. They have to do any type of innovations in their business. The innovations may be introduce a new things, introduce a new product, or introduce a new technologies, or introduce a new machines. They have to do any one type of innovations in their business means that person is known as innovative entrepreneur. But the imitative entrepreneur just copy the successful innovations already adopted by the innovative entrepreneur. So the imitative entrepreneur is otherwise called as adaptive entrepreneur. The innovative entrepreneur is a risk taker. So they have to make innovations in their business means sometimes they have to incur heavy losses too. So they are always a risk taker. But the innovative entrepreneur is not taking any risk. After the successful innovations introduced by the innovative entrepreneurs only they copied. So they won't take any risk in their business. Then next difference is the innovative entrepreneurs are more in developed countries like America. That innovative entrepreneurs are more because they have more finance and well-structured infrastructure facilities. So they have to using this finance and infrastructure facilities. So they have to do the research through which they have to invented the new things. So the innovative entrepreneurs they have to make use of the inventions in their business means. So that type of entrepreneur is innovative entrepreneur. So that type of entrepreneurs are more in developed countries. That is the simply says the commercial applications of inventions in their business means that is known as innovative entrepreneur. But imitative entrepreneurs are more in developing countries like India. The imitative entrepreneur is more because due to lack of finance and also lack of infrastructure facilities, we are not able to do any research and also they are not able to make any innovations in their business. So they just copy the innovations already successfully adopted by the innovative entrepreneur. So in India, the imitative entrepreneur is more. So next, we need that type of imitative entrepreneurs to develop our nations to become a developed nations. So in India, we have to offer more loan facilities and also offered the infrastructure facilities to develop more innovative entrepreneurs in our India's too. So it will definitely develop our nations into developed nations. Thank you.